find the awning winder and rafter at the back of the camper van, just underneath the bed. That's the winder and that's the rafter there. They're all clipped in, and I'll pull them out and show you exactly how it works. With the winder, you've got this foam protector, and that foam protector is used to protect the paint of the van. So you want the foam protector right up there. And what we'll do, we'll throw the winder into that loop, and if I stand 90 degrees exactly and wind it to the left, you'll see the awning open up. I want a bit of tension on the winder towards me to make sure that it stays in that position there. So I've wound it out nearly all the way, and what we can see there is the legs for the awning. What we do, we pop it out from there, and we pop it out from this part of the shoulder. When we open up the awning legs, we want to pull this bracket out and pop that out of its bracket just there, and then pull the leg down. You can use this clip here as your point of adjustment, so you can adjust the height accordingly and then tighten it. I'm using this now to take the weight of the awning. So the whole purpose of that is just so we can bring the awning out without making too much pressure on the arms. And now I'll start winding it out to its 2.5 meters. This is the rafter that comes with the Fiamma F80's. You can use the clip as a barometer to shoot that just there. You'll get that there, and then you'll tighten the clip accordingly there. You'll find all the accessories for the awning. You've got the pegs just here. This peg is for the Fiamma F80's awning, and this peg is for your shower awning, the Nomad one on the other side of the van. You'll also find your hammer to hammer it down. Peg them in. From both sides. So each leg has 2 provisions for the peg. So you want to adjust the height of the awning with this plastic turn snib. So you turn that and lock that in, adjust your height. Pretty much you want to keep the awning level, so find a spot on a part of your body and just test height. As you can see, the wind has picked up, and these are not ideal conditions to bring the awning out. Ideally we want no wind. We don't want to be at an ocean front like Great Ocean Road, otherwise a gust of wind will come and damage the awning and potentially ruin your holiday. There are many dangers associated with bringing an awning out. As for this, we do encourage customers not to bring it out, as they may not be sure of the conditions. So if you're inexperienced or away from the camper van or asleep, please make sure you always keep the awning in. We do have 2 LED light strips located on the awning. One of them is on the panel, it's labeled O, and that's for the outside, and there's another LED light strip on the inside. And the A is for the inside. This light strip will be activated when the awning's closed, you can see that, and when it's open you can use that light strip. When packing up the awning, we will pretty much do it in the reverse order by pulling out the rafter, pulling out the pegs and folding the legs up. You'll have to wind it back a little bit just to take a lot of pressure off the awning. Wind it back, pull the legs in so we can take a lot of the load off the awning. Now this awning is a 4-meter awning, so the more that you have it out, the more chance that wind is going to grab it and throw it. So the less that you have it out is probably a little bit better, because it will reduce the chances of a wind damaging it. So I'll bring it in. You'll have to lock that leg in with that just there, that clip there. Fold it in. and you must have that leg pushed all the way in there. Turn the snib, pull the leg up, lock it back in, fold the leg with this part flush to the awning, and always make sure that that is pushed all the way in. And we finish it off by winding the awning all the way in. So you'll feel the awning is shut when A, it won't turn anymore, and B, you also need to make sure that this part is sitting flush to the main part there. If it's sitting out a little bit, like that, it means that your brackets have not been pushed in from your awning legs. And I'll show you an example of that right now. So if your awning's not closed properly, it could be because of this reason. You have not pushed this leg all the way in. It might be sitting out like that. So always make sure when you finish, that's pushed all the way in.